Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. I'm here with Julius in the Track Edition RCF Track Edition here. So today, well, if it doesn't look obvious, we are here at the Nurburgring. He's got a little fly swatter to reach for the thing, which is really ingenious. He's recording, I'm recording. Let's see how this thing turns out. I will hold on to this. Let's go. Alright. Let's see. Warming up those AO52s. Traction off. You hear that? He put it on traction off. Amazing. I feel like these grip more than the M2s. I will say, Julius, you're driving it like you stole it, and I love it. It's so hard to hold on to the camera. It's so hard to hold on to this camera, though. traffic, definitely not as much traffic compared to other laps that we've had. Wow, Track Edition put to the test.
Come on, not that slow. Not that slow, please.
Yeah, we might want to cool it before
before
everybody else starts saying the same thing about you, about me, about the yellow flag. Oh, there's a yellow flag right there. Okay, yeah, we slowed down.
Oh, those signs mean there's oil.
Oh, it's oil? Uh-oh. Where's the oil spill? Let's see.
Probably around here, maybe? I don't know. Ah, there it is.
Oh my goodness, that is a lot of oil. I don't know what that. Oh, I should have covered it.
Not a part of the track where you really want oil.
Yeah, especially right next to the rumble strips. Wow, did somebody hit before doing this, or?
Yes.
Jeez.
Let's see what the BMW can do.
See what the BMW can do. YouTube corner? Yeah. Excellent driving. Out of his way.
This feels so slow.
He said, nope, I'm not gonna let you pass. Man, you were putting that pressure on him. Jeez.
It's some late braking here. Perfect.
Wow, 822.
Nice.
822. That is impressive. I mean,
Wanna go for
yeah,
another one?
there was, yeah, sure, but there was another, you know, with the oil spill and all that. But I just gotta say, Jules, you make us all proud. You make us all RCF owners proud, man.
It is.
That
you
was
have to say that
wild experience.
It is so much fun to drive this car.
Yeah.
It is so.
Jesus.
The drivability is great.
You know how hard, folks, it is to hold on to a camera while this guy's driving? All right, guys, and how was that? That was an amazing track battle, dogfight, however you want to word it. Him against the M2, ooh, I could watch that for probably a good hour. He was really giving him the pressure, but anyways, guys, I think you guys should really follow him on Instagram to see what he does, because he does some crazy stuff on his track. Anyways, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next video. Peace.